Look how you look this dress. You can take this as a dress or as a top. If you want to make as a top, you take your length, what you need. Okay, I'm going to make as a dress. The measurements what you need: length you need, shoulder to bust height, shoulder to waist, waist circumference, bust circumference, waist to hip length, hip circumference. Length you need, you take from shoulder to length what you need. I take 87 centimeters, it means 34 inches. Shoulder to bust height, I took 10 inches, it means 25 centimeters. Waist circumference, you take around the waistline. Okay, I got 26 inches, 66 centimeters. Bust circumference, around the bust, highest part, I got 35 inches, it means 87 centimeters. Waist to hip, waist to hip, I have 7.5 inches, it means 18 to 19 centimeters. It's depend to your height. Okay, and hip circumference, I got 35 inches, it means 89 centimeters. Length you are not going to change, take as it is. Shoulder to bust height also you are not going to change. Shoulder to waist also same measurements. Waist circumference 66 centimeters, you divide in 4, you got 16.5 plus 4 centimeters. Bust circumference 87 I got, divide in 4 and give plus 4 centimeters. Waist to hip take as it is. Hip circumference 89 centimeters I got, divide in 4 and give 4 centimeter plus. This is fabric I got. This is width of fabric. This is length I need. And here fold line. You fold it in midline. You start to mark your inches, what I wrote here. First, length you need, this is length I need, plus sewing allowance hemline. You mark shoulder to bust line. From this point I got 25 centimeters. Make a line and again from shoulder to waistline I got 41 centimeters. Make a line This is bust line, this is waistline. From waist you mark hip length. I got 19 centimeters. Make a line. Okay. Now in first line you mark your bust circumference. I got 87 centimeters divided in 4. I gave 4 centimeters plus, then I have my 25.75 centimeters. I mark here. This is waistline. I got 66 centimeter divided in 4 and give plus 4 centimeters, 20 and half. Sorry, yeah, 20 and half. I mark. In this hip line, you give your hip circumference, divide in 4 plus 4 centimeters. I got 26 and 25 centimeters. Mark. Now you join these lines nicely. And here you make straight. Okay. This is your waist, bust and hip. This is your length. Now in this waistline you mark 2.5 inches. It means 6 centimeters down and 6 centimeters up and 6 centimeters outside. Okay, and make a nice draw it like this. Okay, and what I'm doing, okay, you must trace these lines for this side. You take and fold it. You can see here. Yes. Okay. You got this side and this side. Now take this one, leave sewing allowance in here. Look, this is sewing allowance, and cut this mid part. Okay, do the same the other side. come. Okay, this is right side now. So watch carefully what I'm going to do now. Before you do next, what? Yes. Look, before you start here, I'm going to make here neckline. You mark your neck deep from here. First you mark here 3.5 inches. It means 9 centimeters. And you mark first here 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters. Okay, you cut this. Okay, this is back side neck. I open this. I want to make front neck little bit deeper. And I make 10 centimeters deeper, and I draw nice neckline. You can draw any design. You can make round or V shape, whatever you want. I make like this and cut. Deeper. Later you can make facing or bias band. Now I'm going to show you how to make here. Look carefully. You must fold this line and the other one also. Okay, hold like this and put your hand inside. Look, take this, make a pin, and sew all around these two together. Okay, you have here mark, I make first pin, then you can see better what I'm doing. Look, you sew all around. After you sew, you make cut mark all over there and turn it. Look how you look like. Okay, so I'm going to machine. I do same for this side also, as I told you. Be carefully, you must in here straight. You fold the upper part and fold the other one. Hold and put your hand from inside here. Hold this together and sew both parts together. Okay, all around. Now look, you can see I already sew neckline, and here I pressed it very well. Look, I sew all around both sides. Look how you look it now. Now fold it in midline. Okay, and mark your bust measurement. I already marked before. Mark bust measurement, waist measurement and hip measurement, and join all together. Pin it and make same the other side also. Now you sew from here until hemline. Also here you sew to here and until hemline. This is you look like after I finish this top. Look, you can wear it with belt or without, and you can make as kaftan, short dress or top. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, learn it, do it. Thank you for watching. I'm Sandhya. Stay happy and safe.